This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site Causonelli.com. Causonelli.com is a new deceptive website. Right now it attacks Google Chrome and may also affect other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are not robots. The truth is that it is a mistake to actually click on this allow button, and if it gets mistakenly clicked, the browser would be hijacked and contaminated with multiple ads that will be attacking the screen from time to time. So you should carefully deactivate these ads by going to the menu Settings. Now choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and Notifications. So pay careful attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this Causonelli.com, make sure you remove it from the list. And don't hesitate to remove other junk sites from this list. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin thoroughly investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.